This is part of a Halloween parade. Sweet. Starting to sprinkle on this Halloween. Let's try that again. Trick or treat. Never mind. Cut. Edit that out. I'm gonna go for a run. Heritage Park and not sure other places around there probably. Not exactly sure what though other than Heritage Park, because just going down Heritage Park running it isn't really that much of a run. I've been running running for about 2 minutes. This needs to be a little bit more specific. Special event isn't really going to cut it for getting passengers. I don't even know where the special event is, so I'm not going to cut it though. I'm going to start. Well, first I'm going to run down here, go over to there, and run through the park, and then go down to Heritage. And I'll do more as well. Gathering and eating nuts, so they can store up for the winter. I think that's the only animal other than humans that you'll find in this park. Normally, anyhow. There's gray squirrels. There might be a few exceptions where there might be like a deer or something like that in here. At night, actually I think at night there might be a raccoon that... I haven't seen the water this high in, I don't know, 4 or 5 years. It's close to flood. In fact, I think part of that island there is flooded. For the first time I'm going to go over to Heritage Park. Well, that's Heritage Park at its finest. Right there. Let's check the spillway, see if that's spilling over at the moment. Yep. Really moving. Right down the spillway even. I've actually never seen water in the spillway before. Wow. A lot of water, and it's supposed to rain more later. Part of the trail will be underwater. That'd be kind of cool. Well, that's underwater. That's a rock that looks like it collapsed. Yeah, it collapsed. It could just be the water so high that it's looking like it's fell away by the foundation of the mill. And there's this area down here. It's gonna head over there. Right, but by the looks of it, I'd have better luck crossing the Mississippi. Yep, flooded. I know an alternate way across though. The old mill foundation. That's shifted. Water's going under this right now. Feels unstable actually. I'm gonna get off it. Water's extremely high right now. No crossing today. We're gonna have to find an alternate route around this. Kind of, well, that's a walkway down there. Who knows how many feet of water is under it. Looks like there's a fallen log trying to get through there. It's slowly moving, very, very slowly. I'm gonna find a way around this. I'm not gonna give up, even though there's water flowing around. I know what I got. Back to the foundation. Head along the edge here. Right down there. I think I might see a way. decided to actually walk through the water. It's only about a foot deep. So I have my pant legs up and like that kind of thing. That looks like the swells on the opposite side of the Gatineau River right there. Picnic tables underwater. That thing's tilted. See what other things have happened due to flooding. That there might have just been from the rain. Or it could have been from flooding. From right here. Not sure. So this is flooding, to say the least. Like, Canton's had worse than this though. Like the whole downtown area is flooded before. This is a pretty bad flood though. Canton standards. I'm looking for fish right down in here because if I was a fish, I'd stay in here out of the rapids. Like, it's not, this is like the bay now. This is not normally a bay. This is normally grass that goes up to just beyond those chairs. Then you get to the river, which is a couple feet down below you. So this is not really entirely normal. More and more water is flowing in right now. Head out of that tree there. These areas here are underwater. And you can normally even go down to that picnic table, which is now like a little island of its own. I'll come back in several days after the after the rain has stopped. Right now we're in a there's rain coming in, but until then it's nice and calm. Well, I'll check back in several days, actually. Kind of expecting this stream, which is normally just a very small trickle, to be flooding over. Sure, it's bigger than it normally is, but it's not flowing over, though it looks like it will be because of those gray clouds. Other place in our way. Not flooded either. Part that I didn't expect to be flooded was flooded, so I didn't record it. But a couple of the smaller islands down there, they're completely underwater. A lot of the slightly larger ones still above water, partially though. That little beach down there that I like to stick my feet in the water is normally overflowed. Also, oh, sorry, I was upside down, wasn't I? Well, this trail's on the high ground. Deer and people both take it. So it's good so far. Never mind. That's the trail. Right there. Can't really get out to the that area over there. It's flooded under most of the water so far. The only flooding happening here and a little bit down there. A little bit chaotic on a run Halloween. Though it is starting to die down. Letting everybody take 2 pieces of candy while I'm out on my run from the bag of candy. Anybody knows who this belongs to, they can come pick it up because they accidentally left part of their costume on the porch.